Yeah.
That's a nice one.
It's,
You're
you
slack
get, go
reeling?
reel. He's swimming right at you. Reel as fast as you can. Do not
She's
stop
on.
reeling. Do not stop reeling. There you go. Nice. Very nice.
Good job, babe.
No, my heart's pounding.
Here, put that rod right there. There you go. Just remember, when he jumps, just point that rod.
Got him?
I got him. I'm so excited.
Hallelujah.
Yep.
He's probably getting ready to jump. See how your line is coming up kind of close to the surface like that?
Oh, that makes my heart pound.
Where's more comfortable for you?
Are you breathing?
I'm breathing. You know I'm prone to hold my breath.
It means more to me to video her.
Okay. Just trying to stay with his buddies.
Got your foot racing against the boat? You gonna get pulled in?
No.
This your fish?
Yes. You're gonna jinx me.
Nope. Meant to be.
Get a little gulp in there.
No. No, I just reeled that in. Oh. My arm's tired. Oh gosh. I'm gonna cry if he gets my fish.
No, you'll know when he's running from him.
You see him?
I just saw him on the side imaging, yeah.
Does that mean the shark's chasing him?
Nope, stop.
What was that about gaining more than he's taking?
His runs are getting shorter and shorter though. I still see him right there.
I see him. Babe, all you gotta do is get him in. You're trying?
I'm trying.
How long have you waited for this?
Long time.
Why are you grunting?
This fish is whooping me.
Better than being schooled.
Right.
A bit different than a snook or a red.
That's probably gonna have to feed me tomorrow.
How you gonna drink tonight? How you gonna get that cocktail up?
My cocktail's behind me.
You can't drink whiskey out of a straw.
My hands are like, my arms are like noodles.
Oh, I'm sure.
I'm shaking so bad.
Tarpon.
All right.
Oh.
Just hold on a second, Judge.
Ah!
Oh, real, go to the right. Stay right there. I'll just back up. You swing on the bow. Right. That'll disorient those stupid bull sharks.
It hurts, doesn't it?
Crazy how they have that much energy left out on a shark. All right, she's right there. Yeah. I'll try to hold on to it for as long as I can, but with all these sharks around. So come down here, Jeff, right now, reel down and just pump up and to the right.